Okay, so this is going to be an overview of how to submit more than one document on Dropbox. So what we're going to be doing is once you go into your Dropbox app, and I'm going to open that up now. So again, this is what the Dropbox app looks like on my home screen. You click on that. And then I do not have any files currently in here, so I'm going to be creating the files now. So I have all 5 assignments that need to be completed, ready to go. And I'm going to scan them in the same way that I did last week with the reading log. So you click on the plus sign down at the very bottom of the screen that says create, and then you can hit scan document. So then I'm going to have my first assignment, which is the writing choice that my student chose to do. So I'm going to take that picture and that'll change that into a scanned document. And then down in the bottom left corner, there are 2 rectangles with a plus sign. That is going to now allow you to scan another page in the one single document. So I'm going to hit that. And then I'm going to get my next page lined up. And it'll continue to add on, making it one cohesive document. So I'm going to touch that plus box again. Scan then the next thing, which is my social studies menu work choice. Click on that one. Scan that in. Go to the next one, which is my reader writer journal, page 307. Scan that one in, click on the plus sign again, and then my reading log. And don't worry if these are not going horizontally, I will be able to see it just fine. Do not stress about that. And then if you have a page, you can go back through and review each page. If you have a page that you are not happy with, you can click the little X for just that page and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete this page? And then you can rescan just that page. You don't have to start completely over if one of them does not come out correctly. You can just rescan that page and you're good to go. So then again, in order to save this as one document, you make sure that you have all 5 pages and then you hit next. And then where it says file name, you are able to save it with your student's name. And then this is weekly menu work. And then I'm also just putting in the date for myself. You do not have to do the date. And then once you have the title the way that you want it, you hit done. And then save. Once it's done saving, then again, in order to share it with me, and if you click on it, you can see it again just to make sure that everything is there and it looks the way that you want it. Then you go back out, and then to share it with me, you just click on the 3 dots, click on share, and then you type in my email. And it automatically sends it to me. And that's it. You don't have to individually scan and save each document. You are able to just simply scan all of them one time into one document and send that to me. And that's it. I hope this was very helpful for you. If you have any further questions about submitting it on Dropbox, please send me an email and I'll be more than happy to help you get this submitted.